Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today. I want you to imagine a laptop that isn't just powerful on paper, but one that truly transforms the way you game, create, and work. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the brand new Lenovo LOQ 15-inch gaming laptop, a machine designed for performance-hungry gamers, ambitious creators, and anyone who demands both speed and reliability in a sleek, modern package. Think about the frustration of lag during an intense match, the delay when editing a 4K video, or the struggle of juggling multiple apps at once. Now imagine all of that disappearing. With the Lenovo LOQ 15, you don't just use a laptop, you own a competitive edge, a creative powerhouse, and a daily driver built for the future. Let's start with what you see and feel first. The 15.6-inch IPS LCD Full HD display. With a refresh rate of 144 Hz, your visuals are not only sharp, but buttery smooth. Whether you're gaming in fast-paced shooters, editing content, or binge-watching your favorite shows, every frame looks alive. Every detail pops. And it's wrapped in a sleek Luna Gray chassis. Minimal, modern, and durable. It's stylish enough for the office, yet bold enough for your gaming setup. Now, under the hood, this laptop is a beast, powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13650HX processor. It's engineered to handle demanding workloads effortlessly. With multiple cores and high clock speeds, you can multitask like never before. Stream, chat, and game at the same time without a hiccup. And what about graphics? Say hello to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. This isn't just about gaming at ultra settings, though it does that brilliantly. It's about unlocking AI-powered graphics, ray tracing for stunning realism, and DLSS technology that boosts performance while maintaining breathtaking visuals. Whether you're exploring massive open worlds or diving into creative rendering projects, this graphics card ensures your vision comes alive. Of course, power is nothing without speed and space. That's why the Lenovo LOQ 15 comes with a massive 24 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, future-ready, lightning-fast, and perfect for seamless multitasking. Pair that with a 1 terabyte SSD, and you've got blazing boot times, near instant load speeds, and enough room to store your game library, creative projects, and personal files without compromise. Here's the truth. Laptops come and go, but very few make you feel like you're stepping into the future. The Lenovo LOQ 15 isn't just a device, it's a partner in your journey. Whether that's climbing the ranks in competitive gaming, producing content that inspires, or simply enjoying entertainment at its finest. So, if you're ready to elevate your game, accelerate your creativity, and own a machine that's built to last, the Lenovo LOQ 15-inch with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics is your ultimate choice. Don't settle for average when excellence is right in front of you. This is more than just a laptop. This is your next level. Reference link below description. Thanks.